Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, history bent in submission before one man. The Lion of Pakistan, Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiyaz Military, Halal-e-Jurrat, Chief of Army Staff and CDF of Pakistan. Saudi Arabia, the heart of the Muslim world, honored him with its highest national medal, the King Abdulaziz Medal of Excellent Class. Well, this was not courtesy, this was not diplomacy. This was recognition of dominance, discipline and vision. In today's vlog, we unleash 4 hard truths. Firstly, General Syed Asim Munir is emerging as the most respected Muslim military leader of this era. Second, Saudi defense ties now revolve around Pakistan's strategic command presence. Thirdly, the Ummah looks towards Pakistan's uniform for stability, intelligence and deterrence. Fourthly, this medal signals that General Syed Asim Munir is shaping the new regional power balance. Let it be heard. Enemies whisper, allies salute. The Ummah watches with pride as one Pakistani soldier rewrites geopolitics. Raise your head, my fellow Pakistanis, and the Muslim Ummah. Stand tall. Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir did not just win a medal, he claimed his place in history. Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir called on His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Minister of Defense of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, during his official visit to the kingdom. During the meeting, both sides held discussions on matters of mutual interest, including regional security dynamics, defense and military cooperation, strategic collaboration and evolving geopolitical challenges. The interaction reaffirmed the deep-rooted historic and brotherly relations between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Under a royal decree issued by the custodian of the 2 holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the King Abdulaziz Medal of Excellent Class, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's highest national honor, was also conferred upon the Field Marshal. The honor recognizes Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir's distinguished military service and leadership, as well as his central role in advancing defense cooperation, strategic coordination and institutional linkages between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. It also reflects his contributions towards regional peace and stability, including sustained collaboration in counter-terrorism and security. The Saudi leadership conveyed its appreciation for the Field Marshal's professionalism and strategic outlook, noting his commitment to strengthening the long-standing brotherly ties between the 2 countries. Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir expressed gratitude to the custodian of the 2 holy mosques and the Saudi leadership for the honor, describing it as a reflection of the enduring bonds between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. He reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to the security, stability and prosperity of the kingdom. The conferment of the King Abdulaziz Medal of the Excellent Class underscores the depth of Pakistan-Saudi Arabia relations and the shared determination of both nations to further strengthen strategic cooperation in pursuit of regional and global peace. Long live Pakistan and long live our armed forces. This is your very own Fariha Farooq and you're watching 360 Digital English. Take care. Allah Hafiz.